Hello everyone, myself Faiz Arshad Sudarji, Assistant Professor, Government Engineering College, Karwar. So, welcome you all in the session. So, in this session, we will study estimation of a septic tank and a soak pit. So, we will try to complete this in two sessions. First, we should know what about a septic tank. So, septic tank is primarily a sedimentation basin where a minor degree of solids destructions may occur due to anaerobic digestion. Septic tanks are ordinarily sized to provide a 24 hours retention time at the average daily flow from various types of residential and public building. So, below sketch you can see the section of the septic tank. So, here you will find inlet pipe, outlet pipe, and there is a baffle wall, and how that outlet is connected to next soak pit. So, this is what section of a septic tank. Next, soak pit. The soak pit is an ordinary pit of any shape with the least cross sectional dimension of 0.1 meter and 1 meter depth below inverted level of the inlet pipe. The pit may be lined with stone, brick, or concentrated blocks with dry open joints. The pit is generally filled with a layer of loose stones, bricks, bats, and brick ballast. The pit may be covered with a RCC slab. So, below you can see the a sketch of a soak pit. Next, purpose of a septic tank. So, septic tanks eliminates waste by using the natural filtering process of soil. Next, waste water is first filtered by the septic tank before ending up in the drain field. Then next, bacteria is filtered by the soil once the waste water is out of the septic tank, which makes the water safe to reuse. Next, these are the features of the septic tank. In the sketch cross section you can see there is an inlet and outlet, and level of outlet is lower than inlet, and there is a baffle wall which is inside the septic tank, then inspection port, then access port, then again inspection port, and there is a formation of sludge, then top scum and grease will be floating. So, this sort of section of the septic tank. So, already we have studied this in the previous semesters. Now, we will just move on to our core core subject, that is estimation. So, we will take one sample example of a septic tank. I will read the questions. This question I have taken from the textbook only. So, prepare a detailed estimate of a septic tank with a soak pit of 25 users from given drawings. Septic tank shall be of first class brickwork in 1:4 cement mortar. The foundation and floor shall be of 1:3:6 cement concrete. Inside of a septic tank shall be finished with 12 mm cement plaster, and floor shall be finished with 20 mm cement plaster with 1:3 mortar mixed with standard waterproofing compounds. Upper and lower portion of soak pit shall be of a second class brickwork in 1:6 cement mortar, and middle portion shall be of a dry brickwork. Roof covering slabs and baffle wall shall be of precast RCC. The length of the connecting pipe from latrine seat may be taken as 3 meter. Now we will see the drawing. This is the combined drawing of a septic tank and a soak pit. So here first part, that is left side, it is a section of the septic tank, and plan and section of the septic tank, and right side section and plan of the soak pit. Now we will see the section of the septic tank. So septic tank has will move from the bottom, 2.8 meter is the total width, and walls has 2 steps. First is 600 mm step and 1.15 meter step. Then there is an SW 100 mm dia pipe, which is 3 meter long, means it is start from latrine to this septic tank. Total length is 3 meter, and outlet pipe. Then there is a baffle wall of 450 mm length, and bottom is sloped in 1:20, and there are iron footsteps connected to the walls of the septic tank. Then at top there is 7.5 centimeter RCC precast slab, where opening will be there, and to exhaust the gases 50 mm dia ventilating pipe, which is 2 meter high is provided, and a CI cowl, a cap is fitted to that pipe. Now come to the plan of the septic tank. You can see the overall size of the septic tank, 2.8 meter by 1.7 meter. So leaving 100 mm as offset, the first wall has a width of 300 mm. Then second next step is 200 mm. We can see this section, and we can see the inlet pipe as well as outlet pipe, and in between we can see the baffle wall, which is 400 mm from the wall, and that is 40 mm thick, which is precast, and you can see the iron footsteps, that is in a staggered position. So this is what about the septic tank. Now come to the soak pit. So soak pit is circular in shape. So inside opening is 1 meter, and a pipe is connected from the septic tank to the soak pit. So inside layer is of brick work, and which is surrounded by 150 mm brick aggregate, and that is surrounded by 150 mm coarse sand. Now we can see from this section total height of 2.5 meter, which is surrounded by brick aggregate and coarse sand. So inside layer is of a dry brick work, which is 200 mm thick, that is up to the height of 2.5 meter. Okay. Then over that 0.5 meter wall, that is second class brickwork, you can say. So that complete wall is covered with 7.5 centimeter RCC slab, which is precast, and there is a opening of 30 centimeter by 30 centimeter, so can be removed. So this is what about the sketch of the septic tank and soak pit. Now we will start the first item, estimation of a first item, that is earthwork in excavation. So, first we will take the septic tank, which is one number. So, from this sketch, as I told earlier sessions also, before estimation always you have to take printout of the sketch. So, wherever dimensions are there you can compare, okay, in the sketches. So, earthwork in excavation. So, first we will take a septic tank, okay. So, one number. So, from the sketch you can take outer dimension, means bedding. So, length is 2.8 meter and its width is 1.7 meter and height is 1.95 meter. So, explanatory note you can see how the height we have taken. So, h is equal to 1.4 plus 0.3 plus 0.2 plus 0.05 is equal to 1.95 meter. So, as the bottom is sloping, so height at exactly at midpoint is 1.4 meter. So, other dimensions we have added. So, we got a quantity of 9.28. Then come to soak pit. So, soak pit is circular. So, up to 3 meter depth we will take. So, the dimension is pi by 4 into 2 square 1.2 square into its depth is 3 meter. So, total is 9.42 meter cube. Next, soak pit lower portion. Lower portion one number, again area pi by 4 into 1.4 square into, means we will get perimeter, okay, into thickness 0.2 meter and height 0.3 meter. Sorry, quantity height is 0.2 meter. So, we will get quantity of 0.3 meter cube, which is below dry brick work, okay. So, total excavation is 9.28 plus 9.42 plus 0.3. So, 19 meter cube. So, septic tank is 9.28 and soak pit is 9.42 and 0.3. So, total excavation is 19 meter cube. These are the sketches for your reference. So, how the excavation we have calculated. So, for septic tank, see here. So, from ground level to 300 dimension is there, then exactly at midpoint 1.4 meter. Then that floor is sloping, that is 1 in 20 slope. So, that starts from 0 at one end to 100 mm at another end. So, average is 50. Okay. Then thickness of the bed block is 200. So, total height 300 plus 1400 plus 50 plus 200 and overall dimension is excavation is 2.8 meter, okay. Then come to soak pit, it is a circular, total height we can calculate it here like that. So, these are the some of the sketches for your reference. Now, come to second item, that is cement concrete in 1:3:6. So, first foundation means it's uniform portion of the foundation, that is one. Total length is 2.8 meter and its width is 1.7 meter and thickness of that footing bed is 0.2. So, you will get a 0.95 meter cube. Then come to the sloping portion. So, one length, inside length is 2 meter and width is 0.9 meter inside, and its height means its one end it is 0 and one end it is 100 mm. So, its mean height is 0.05 meter. Average thickness, that is in explanatory note it is given 100 plus 0 divided by 2, that is 50 mm. So, if you multiply, then you will get a quantity of 0.09. So, total we get 1.04 meter cube of cement concrete. So, with this next part will complete in next session. So, this is the end of the fourth session. So, next estimate remaining part will continue in the next session. Okay, thank you.